Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Punchdown tool on a Keystone jack. Alright, let's get to it. First off, I am going to score the wire. I'm going to give myself plenty of wire. Plenty of wire to work with is always the best. No problem there. Okay. So I'm going to organize these wires. So it looks like brown is on the upper right. Then we have orange on the upper left. Then we have green on the bottom right and blue on the bottom left. And I am using pin B, which is standard for networks. So 99% of the time you're going to be using pin B. Now, every technician they have their own technique. This just happens to be my technique. If you enjoy it, great. If you find someone else's technique more efficient and better, then by all means go for that. Alright, so first I'm going to take my white and brown. I'm going to slide it into the slot there. Then my solid brown. And then white and green. And then solid green. Okay, now I'm going to work my way down on the other side. White and orange, and then solid orange, then I'm going to be doing white and blue, and solid blue. So that's what it looks like there. Now, I normally do this on a table, but I want to give you guys kind of a close-up on how this Punchdown tool works. So make sure the blade right here, the little tip, make sure that's on the out. So you're going to be cutting the excess off of the wire here. So let's see if I can do this button just by holding it. There we go. I get my first one. Ooh, there we go. Let's get the next one. There we go. That was a good one. Alright, I'm going to slide it into the slot here. There we go. Sometimes you kind of have to wiggle it around. And then we'll do, make sure these wires are out of the way. The last one here. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I normally do it here. I usually have a nice flat surface. Make sure my wires are in the right slot. So this is normally how I do it. I have a nice solid surface, and then I just punch straight down, just like that. There we go. And last thing you do, put the cover on. All right, there we go. This is ready to go into a patch bay. All right, good luck, everybody.